Morning, Satya. Then again, you have a problem on your PC. Can you switch on your camera, Satya? Okay, did you complete the homework? If you have not completed, you can complete right now. 6 questions were there from the exercise. Let others join. If you have not completed, you can complete 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You have the PDF notes of the exercise. Na? Have you done?
I was absent that.
You were not there in the previous class. I think you got disconnected that time. I told you to check the PDF notes. You said yes, it is there, ma'am. You told na? This exercise 4.1. Just check exercise 4.1. First question here.
Ma'am, where's everybody else?
Yes, Emma?
Where's everybody else?
Everybody is late. Today you joined on time. Everybody means who is left now? Farhana and Muazzam, Mudabbir and Abdullah. Okay. Ahmad, have you completed the homework? Switch on your screen. Switch on your camera.
How many questions?
Good morning, Farhana.
Good morning, ma'am.
Have you completed the homework? Exercise 4.1. I think 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 question was given as homework. If you have not completed, just complete it right now. I'll check the answers. You know you have to use the formula. And what formula are there? What identities we have done? By now, all of you remember the identities. Ahmad, switch on the camera in the beginning. I've already told everyone that please keep your cameras on in the beginning of the class at least. Have you done, Farhana? Complete it right now. Ahmad, have you done?
No.
So complete it right now. The formula, first of all, you remember the formulas, the identities that we have done. A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, A plus B into A minus B, and what else we have done? X plus A into X plus B. So these main 4 identities and 2 derivatives also we have done. What happened, Ahmed? Still your camera is not on yet. Yes, Ahmed? Yeah. So just write down the formula and start doing question. I think you did till 6th you have done. So Muazzam, Mudabbir, have you completed the homework 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 of
Yes, ma'am.
4.1? Okay, get your answers checked. Tell me, still 7th you got it checked, right, in the class? 7th?
Yes, ma'am.
7th, what was your answer for question 7? First part, first question, 7th part.
Ma'am, 7th was 49x squared plus ax minus 6a squared.
49. A wala, what is the question? 7th question is what? A square plus 5 into a square minus 5?
No, ma'am, wait, ma'am. I told you the answer of some other question. Wait, ma'am. No, ma'am, a raised to 4 plus 25.
Minus 25. A raised to 4 minus 25, because your formula is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. So the middle sign will be negative. Okay. Next question, 8. Xy minus 1, xy plus 1. What is the answer?
X square y square plus 1.
Not plus 1. Again, you are using the wrong formula. Have you written the formula? Always write the formula which you are using. Again, in the middle, you have a negative sign. So using this formula, a plus b into a minus b, your answer comes out to be a square minus b square. Okay. So in the center, you will have a negative sign. Is it clear, Muazzam?
Yes, ma'am. In the center, we'll have negative
A
sign.
negative, yeah. And then b square. So b is 1.
Ma'am, in the
Is it
8th question, I use the formula x minus a into x plus b.
x minus a, but you have x minus a into x plus a, because 1 and 1, they are same numbers, so you cannot write a and b.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear? Okay, I'll write down and show you. Going question number. Your question is xy question is xy minus 1 into xy plus 1. So which formula are we going to use? This is xy, this is same, and this is same, this is same. So using formula, using a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, because you have first term same, second term same, only the sign difference is there. So we'll use this identity. And this, I'm doing this question. Which question is it? Question
Ma'am, 8.
8 1, yeah. This is question 1/8. So using this formula, your A is xy and your B is 1. You will get xy minus 1 into xy plus 1 is equal to xy square minus 1 square. So you will get x square y square minus 1. This will be your answer. Is it clear, Muazzam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your next answer? 9th one, x plus 4 by 3, x plus 3 by 4. Here you will use x plus a and x plus b, because both the numbers are different. So what is your 9th one?
Ma'am, the 9th one is x square
Yes?
plus 25 upon 12x plus 1.
Yes, correct answer. And what is the 10th one?
Ma'am, 10th one is 4 upon 9x raised to 4 minus 25 upon 9x square minus 1.
4 by 9 x raised to 4 is correct. What is your second term? Minus?
Minus 25 upon 9.
No, it is minus 16 upon 9. Just check it, the second term. Because you have 1 minus and 1 plus. Okay. So it will be minus 3 plus 1 by 3. So how much it is? Minus 3 plus 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 x square. Okay. So check it. It should be minus 16 by 9 x square minus 1. Okay, so correct this one later. And what is the 11th one?
21x square plus 8xy minus 5y.
11th one. No, 11th one is also wrong. Which formula you have used? 2x plus 3y plus 3x plus 2y.
Ma'am, this was the 12th one. 6x square plus 13xy plus 6y square.
Yes, correct. Yeah, 12th one was 21x square plus 8xy minus 5y square. This was your answer, 12th one?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is correct. So correct your question number 10th. Okay. So I'm writing all the identities once again so that you revise. Identities are a plus b whole square. What is the value, Farhana? A plus b whole square?
Ma'am, it is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Yes. Ahmad, what is a minus b whole square?
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
Yes. Saklain, what is a plus b into a minus b? Mutabbir, what is a plus b into a minus b?
A square minus AB
No. It is a square minus b square.
minus B square.
Only this much. What is x plus a into x plus b? What is it, Mudabbir?
Ma'am, x square plus A into plus A plus B in x plus A square B
B.
square.
Not b square, ab. A into b. Learn these identities because some more identities we'll be doing and some deductions were there. What were the deductions? Please write down somewhere at a page so that you always see this and learn it. Okay. What are the deductions? Deductions were a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. This is, do you remember what is it, Muazzam? Do you remember this? What is it? Please have to add.
Ma'am, 2a
2 into a square plus b square, or you can say 2a square plus 2b square. I've taken out 2 common. And the second one is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. It is equal to 4ab. So these till here, these identities we have done. Note down at a page or on the first page so that whenever you open your book, some more identities we are going to learn. But these are the first section of identities. Okay. So you have to remember this. Fine. Everyone has written these identities. So write it at a place so that you always refer to it and remember it. Okay, coming to the exercise. So, okay, these questions complete it at home. Now we'll do question number 2. Okay, those who have not done the homework, please complete it at home and next time get it checked in the next class. I'll be asking you 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, Mudabbir, have you completed? You got the same answer as Muazzam's?
Yes, ma'am, but some were right and some were wrong. I'll
So
check
correct
them.
those mistakes. Okay. Next time again I'll check the answers. Now question 2, simplify. Simplify, see deduction you have to use. Which deduction are we going to use? What is it? 2x square plus 5 whole square minus 2x square minus 5 whole square. So which identity? Just now you have written all the identities, right? So which identity are we going to use over here? Tell me.
A square plus b square minus a square minus b square.
A square नहीं है, a plus b whole square you have to say. Okay, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. What is the value? What have you written? Using, you will write here using a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, which is equal to 4ab. So this identity you will use. Use it and find out the answer. Here a is 2x square and b is 5. A की value is 2x square and b की value is 5. So your answer will be 4 into a into b. How much it is? 4 into, answer will be, then this will be equal to 4 into 2x square into 5. So your answer is 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40. So answer is 40x square. Is it clear how to find out this answer? You have to use using this formula is equal to 4ab. No need to multiply and do anything. Just directly use this formula. 4 into a into b. Here a is 2x square and b is 5. So a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4 into a into b. So 4 into a is 2x square and b is 5. So 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40 into x square. So this is your answer. Now do the second one and tell me which identity will use. I'm erasing it. Which identity will use? Farhana, tell me which identity will use.
Ma'am, we'll use the same one, right?
Here it is a plus sign. So it cannot be, here it was a minus sign. So which identity, tell me? A plus b whole square plus a minus b. That's why I keep on telling you to write all the identities. Is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Okay. Now, Ahmad, tell me what is a formula ka a? What is a over here? Here a. So what is a over here?
A square.
Yes, a is formula ka a is a square in this formula. And what is b?
3.
3. Yes. So your a in this formula is analogous to a square and b from this formula is equal to 3. So you applying this formula, iski value comes out to be 2 times of a square. A square. So here a square already is there. A square ka square. A square ka square is a raised to 4. And b square. B square is how much? 9. So this is your answer. 2 into a raised to 4 plus 9. If you move 2 inside, you will get 2a raised to 4 plus 9 2s are 18. Okay. Okay, I'll show you the steps. How do we do? I'll just show it on the whiteboard. How do we write this question? Question is a square plus 3 plus a square a square plus 3 a square minus 3 whole square. बीच में sign is plus, this is a whole square. ठीक है? So applying a minus b whole square, we know that this is equal to, it is a plus sign. So this is equal to 2a square plus b square. Okay. So here a, instead of a, you have a square. So I'll write a square plus 3 whole square plus a square minus 3 whole square. Here we'll write, we get A square plus 3 whole square. So here our formula becomes 2 into A square square plus 3 square and the bigger bracket close. So you get 2 into A square. 2 2s are 4. So A raised to 4 plus 3 3s are 9. So your answer comes out to be, if 2 moves inside, distributive property, and 2 into 9, 18. Is there any doubt in any of the step? All of you, it is clear how to do this question?
This is another method.
Same method, but we are using this deduction formula. Same method. A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. This is our formula, right? But in our question, instead of A, it is A square. And instead of B, we have 3. And what is the result? A ka square. My A is A square. So iska square is A raised to 4. Is it clear, Sakleen? And 3 ka square is 9. So because I want answer for this, I don't want answer for this. This is a law which I'm using to find answer for this. Is it clear? Law is in the form of A, but my question is also in the form of A. So don't get confused ki A square A ke equal kaise ho gaya. No, it is not equal. It is actually A, formula mein A hai, uski jagah mein we have A square over here. Okay, it is not equal. Yeah, tell me, Farhana.
No, ma'am, I had the same question.
Yeah. Okay, so it is analogous, not the same thing. Okay, so third question is, what is your third question also I am doing? If you can open your Google Classroom, that is also fine, or I'll write here. Third question is, question number 2, third part. Question is AX plus BY. This is third. Plus BY whole square plus AX minus BY whole square. Okay. It is actually AX. Yeah. So which formula are we going to use now? Tell me. Which identity? This and this is same. This and this is same. Yeah. Tell me.
So,
Ma'am, A plus B whole
Yeah.
A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square
Yes. What is the value?
is equal to 2 in the bracket A square plus B square.
Yes. Same formula we'll use. Apply the formula and give me the answer. Give me the answer. Try yourself. Here your A is AX and B is BY. Okay. What will be my first term? Ahmad, what will be my first term? First term is A square, means it's iska square. So what will be my first term over here for this question?
I got
You got?
AX whole square.
Yes, AX whole square. And second term?
BY whole.
Yes. So finally the answer becomes 2A square X square plus 2B square Y square. Did you get the same answer, Sakleen?
last one or the previous one?
This one?
Yes, ma'am. This I got the same.
So simplify and you write it like this. 2 will go inside and get multiplied to both the terms. So this was third question. Fourth question is, now do the fourth question. P square plus 8Q square, the whole square, minus P square minus 8Q square. Okay. Which formula will use, Mudabbir? Which formula will use?
Ma'am, A minus B whole square,
No, first is A plus B, na?
A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square
Is equal to how much?
is equal to 2.
No,
4ab, ma'am.
4ab. It is 4ab. Okay. Plus wale mein remember, if you are adding, you will get this one. If you are subtracting, you will get 4ab. Okay. So this is your formula. So what do we get over here? P square plus 8q square whole square minus P square minus 8q square whole square. Farhana, tell me what will be my answer? 4 into what you will do?
P
What is,
square,
yes. And what is B?
square, and one more square, na ma'am?
No, because formula mein no square is there. Only 4 into A into B. So what is your A? A is P square. And what is your B?
8q square.
8q square, yes.
8q square.
Yeah. Now simplify. 4 into 8, 32. P square into Q square. So this is your answer. 32 P square Q square is the answer for the fourth part. Done?
Ma'am, q should be raised to 4, no ma'am, because here
One
it is 8 raised to 2 whole square.
Where?
Q raised to 2 whole
check the
square is
formula. Check the formula. Your formula is what? A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. So same formula I'm having, but answer should be 4 into A into B. No power is there in the result, right? This we have already calculated, so we have learned it. Remember, we have derived it. Your A square cancel out, B square cancel out, only you are left with 2AB and 2AB, so 4AB. You remember that? Muazzam?
yes, ma'am.
So you will have only B, no power. So B is 8q square. So B is here 8q square. A is P square. So A is P square and 4. Okay, we did like this. Na? You subtract A square plus B square plus 2AB and here minus A square minus B square and ye plus 2AB after changing the sign. So ye cancel okay, you get 4AB. So this was your formula which we got, 4AB. Okay, so can I erase this? Yes? Okay. So coming to next question. Next is using special products, calculate each of the following. Okay. So tell me now 102 into 102. How can I write in the form of special product? Ahmad, how will I write it? In the form of product, special product?
100.
A plus B whole square.
Whole square. So tell me in this question, what is A and what is B?
100 plus
Yes.
2 whole square.
Correct. 100 plus 2 whole square. So using A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now tell me the answer, Saklen. A is how much here?
100
So 100 square
square.
plus 2 into how much?
2, 2 into 2.
2 into A into B I have to do. So 2 into 100 into 2. Okay. Plus B square. How much is B?
2 square.
2. So I'll write like this. What is 100 square? 4 zeros. 2 twos are 4. 400 plus 4. So what is your answer? 10404. Correct? This is your answer. Okay, this was your first part. Now do second part. Second is 108. Now this you do and give me the answer. 108 into 108. First tell me which identity will use. Mudabbir, which one you will use? 108 into 108.
Ma'am, A plus B whole square.
Plus don't do. Do it minus.
A minus B whole
No,
square.
नहीं, minus नहीं करो. Plus ही करो. 100 plus 8 and 100 plus 8. Yes. So A plus B whole square. Do this. Give me the answer directly. I'll not do this. Give me the answer. I'll say yes or no. You have to use same formula. A plus B whole square.
Ma'am, I have the answer.
Yes, tell me. Tell me.
11664.
Yes, this is the answer. How did you get it? Tell me the step.
Using
This formula. So what will
um
you do here? 100. You have to write the step also. 2 into 100 into 8 plus 8 square. So this is 1 cube per 4 zeros. 8 twos are 16. 1600. And plus 8 eights are 64. So your answer is 11664. This is your answer. This way you have to do. Applying this formula, you will write the steps. A square plus 2 into A into B plus B square, and then solve it and then add it. So this is your second question. Do the third one. 69 into 69. Third part is 69 into 69. Saklain, which formula will use? 69 nearest 10. Which formula we can use over here?
Ma'am, 69 plus 1.
69 plus 1 is not, it's 70. You have to write 70. You cannot change the question. I have to do 69 into 69 only. Okay. So it will be 70 minus 1 into 70 minus 1. What is it? 70 minus 1 whole square. Okay. So which formula will use here? 70 minus 1 whole square. Which formula? A plus B, A minus
A minus B whole square.
Yes, A minus B whole square. So using A minus B whole square, your formula is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So put on formula, you get 70 minus 1 whole square. Give me the answer for this. 70 minus 1 whole square. 70 square minus 2 into 70 into 1 plus 1. So you have 7 sevens are 4900. 1 minus 7 twos are 14, 140. Subtract this and give me the answer. I think 4761 is the answer. Check, are you getting the same answer? Answer for this question is 4761. I have done it over here. Abdullah, have you joined the class? When did you join?
Ma'am, I joined late, ma'am.
Okay, be on time. When you miss so many questions, then. Have you completed the previous homework? The last question, question number 1. Now we are doing question number 3. Question number 3, third part we are doing. 69 into 69. Okay, all of you got this? 4761?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, erasing it. The next question is 998 into 998. Now tell me, 998 into 998. What will I do? What is 998? You have to say, think in terms of 100,000 zeros.
Ma'am, 1000 minus 2.
So it is 1000 minus 2 whole square. Which formula will apply, Ahmad?
A square minus
Which formula?
B. A square minus B whole
A
square.
minus B whole square.
Yes, A minus B whole square. So A square minus 2AB plus B square. Apply the formula and give me the answer. This is your A and this is your B. What is the answer? Acha, all of you know you won't be having Tagore maths test, won't be having. Okay, you won't be having Tagore maths test, FA, for FA. Okay, only Mandela maths you have to give. Okay, so prepare for your decimals for the test. Anyone has got this answer? थाउजेंड का स्क्वायर, how many zeros I'll put Saklen? 1000 square में how many zeros I'll put?
7.
No, 3 का double 6. How will I put 7 zeros? See, square में 100 का square में 4 zeros. Double the zeros, okay? Okay? So, और अगर क्यूब निकालना होता, so 3 times the zero means 2 zero है तो 3 2s are 6 0. यहाँ पे 2 है तो 3 2s are 6. So 6 zeros you will have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. And here you have 2 into 2 4. 4 पे how many zeros I'll put Saklen?
3.
Ma'am, the answer is 996004.
Correct. Answer is 99604. This is the answer. Correct answer. Okay, next part is 84 into 76. Now tell me which formula we'll use. 84 into 76. 4 and here also a 4. So which number is common? 84.
This is the fifth question, right?
This is your fifth question, yes. 84 into 76. Can you think about identity, Ahmed? Which identity you'll use?
X plus A
Okay.
times X minus B.
X. Okay. So here, what is your X? You have to change it in that form, right?
80.
Yes. 80 plus 4 you will write, and 80 minus 4. Okay. So your formula is, what is it? You can write in the form of X also, or you can write in the form A plus B, because same thing, and here B is same. So A plus B into A minus B. What is the value? Ahmed, what is the value? A plus B into A minus B? Only two terms are there. You have only one formula like this.
A square minus B square.
Yeah, A square minus B square. So here if you apply this, you will get 80 square minus 4 square, which is equal to 8 8s are 64 and 1 0. So you will put 2 zeros. And here minus 4 ka square is how much? 16. Subtract and give me the answer.
I'm 6384.
6 3, yes, 6384. Now next question, sixth part is 157 into 143. 157 into 143. Now tell me which formula 150 is related. It is again 150. So which formula I can use? I can write it in the form of 150 plus 7 and 150 minus 7. Can we write it like this? 157 and 143 is again 150 minus 7. Okay, Mudabir, tell me which formula we'll use over here.
Ma'am, A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square.
Yes, we'll use the same formula. Give me the answer. When we apply this formula, what do we get? What is 150 square? 15 ka square nikalo and put 2 zeros. That will be 150 square. I have told you to learn all the squares. It is, the calculations become easy. Especially 15, 16 to always use hota hai.
22,500.
2, 2, 5, and 2 zeros. Yes. Minus 49. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 22451.
Ma'am, 22451.
Yes, 22451. Drawn. 22451 is the answer. Okay. Coming to the next question, I'm erasing it now. Next question is, which question we were doing? 157 wala. 306 into 294, seventh part. Seventh part is 306 into 294. Now you give me, how will I arrange it in terms of zeros? Farhana, can you try it?
Ma'am, we'll keep 300,
Yes.
300 plus 6,
And
and then 290, 300 minus 6.
yes. So which formula, tell me, will use here?
A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square plus B square.
Minus b square. Okay. A square minus b square.
Minus B.
Negative sign, huh? Okay, apply this. What do we get? 300 square minus 6 square. What is the answer? Yeah, nobody got this?
Eight nine nine six three.
89964, na?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, 508 into 492. Mudabbir, Muazzam, you tell. Which formula will use?
Ma'am, A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square.
Okay, tell me first of all, what is it? How will you arrange it? First, tell me
Ma'am,
that.
500 plus 8 into 500 minus 8.
Yes. 500 plus 8 into 500 minus 8. So you will use the formula A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to again A square minus B square. So here you get 500 square minus 8 square. 2500 and minus 64. Hello. Okay, find out this answer and give me the answer.
2436.
2, 4. Sorry, this is not 4 zeros you will put. 2 zeros are there, na? So 4 zeros will be there in the square. Now give me the answer. $500 ka square is 5 5s are 25 and 4 zeros. Okay.
Ma'am, the answer is 249936.
244936.
Ma'am, 249936.
Yeah, 249936.
Yes.
Correct. Okay, nowadays I am noticing that Ahmed leaves the class 10 minutes before it's happening. The last class also I noticed that. He's not there in the class. Can you see? Can you see him in the class? Anyone? No, na?
No, ma'am, he left.
Yeah, I saw him in the last class also. I saw him, he left early. That is why he doesn't know what is the homework and what is going on in the class. Okay, the last question. Do the last question. What is the last question? 105 into 109. So ninth question is this one. I'm writing the answer 2499 and 36. This is your answer. Ninth one is 105. This is 105 into 109. So what is the answer? Which law, first of all, change it in hundreds form. How will we write this? Mudabbir, can you try this? 105 into 109. How can we write?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
100
Yes.
plus 5 and 100 plus 9.
Correct. So which law we are going to use over
Ma'am,
here?
x plus a into x plus b.
Correct. X plus a into x plus b. So what is the value? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is your formula. Okay. So apply this. Your x is 100. So your formula becomes, using formula, you will get 100 square plus a plus b. A is 5, b is 9. So 5 plus 9 into 100, because into x is there, plus ab. So 5 into 9. Solve it and give me the answer directly. 100 square. What is 100 square, Saklain? How many zeros will be there on 100 square?
4.
4. Yes. So 10,000. So 10,000 plus. Abdullah, are you there in the class? Your camera is off. So no need to sit in the class keeping the camera off and doing something else at the back. All of you know, during your test, please keep your camera and PC or laptop, whatever it is, ready, so that your camera should be on during the test whole time. Yeah,
Ma'am, 11445.
11445. Yes, correct answer. Okay. So till here we'll do in class. You're left with 10, 11 and 12 question. I'll just show you in the exercise which question is there. We have done till here 105 into 109. So 10, 11 and 12. The last 3 questions. Okay. So these 3 questions is your homework, and complete the first question, whatever is left in first question. Okay. Okay. So that is done. Till here you complete. This exercise will be over.
I do come in that category. Now you know what kind of teacher is Alcha ma'am. Story time. But do not go to sleep.
Yeah, Abdullah, your mic is on, camera is off. Why it is like that? Abdullah, Saqib, what happened? You were not there in the class, na?
Ma'am, I was there. I joined late.
You
I
joined-
joined.
now
I wrote. Ma'am, I completed everything, ma'am. What
when
are
I
you doing?
asked your question, where were you? See, when you leave your desk, please tell the teacher also that you are not there. So do not ask the question. When you come back, say, okay. Because your camera is off, I cannot see that you are not there in the table on the table. Is it clear, Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it fine, Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that's all for today's class. Complete this exercise. Whatever question is left, do it. Okay. See you in the science class.